To be here tonight because I believe in change, and I believe that the energy to make these changes will come from people like you.
When we can be bold and visionary, we're all collectively gonna have the best outcomes.
You guys need to keep going, and you don't stop until the work is done.
I think Black girls are extraordinary, and I see it in every single Black woman who's paved the way for me to be here today.
Justice for her is the only way to establish justice for all.